All right, that was a quick update. Man, I've lost, I don't know, see, 3, 6, 7 young birds in total this year. These are the extra cock birds in my keep out right now. I have no breeders for them. I lost one hen during breeding. I guess it was, she got too stressed out. One bird up here, one young bird just got out the nest. I'm just letting it get used to the area. These guys, birds are doing okay. Thought I'd do a video. This guy down here is just getting picked on, so I threw him back in here in the kit box. Just gotta do, have to take care of that. There's one more bird right here. Ooh, looks like she laid an egg on the other side. Okay, so red one there. She just laid that. I didn't see that earlier when I checked. Probably like 5 to 10 minutes ago. So I'm just keep letting them lay. I was gonna separate them, but man, after losing 7 birds, I need to get back up. So I know it's gonna be a little bit stressful on the birds, but medicating the waters, making sure that they're doing good. I took out the other 4 extra cock birds in here so that it doesn't, you know, stress the birds out while they're breeding. I think that's one of the reasons why they get stressed out. So otherwise, the birds are doing good. I mean, I checked on all the birds. Everybody's healthy. As you guys can see, I just flew my birds. I don't know how many I got up there, but let's see. About 8, I think. Yeah, but they're doing good. Some of them are dropping, a few of them are rolling. First batch are definitely rolling. Second batch are they're dropping. But you know, I did a rookie mistake the other day. There was a storm. I didn't listen to the news weather. You know, I woke up, it was really sunny in the morning, and then I let them out and they flew too long, and then the storm hit them, and I lost most of my second batch. And then the first batch, the 3 that I already lost in the beginning, they got hogged. So all right, catch y'all later.